Sefa, what's the name of your car?
Tesla.
Is that your Tesla?
Cybertruck.
Cybertruck.
Yes.
This is your Tesla Cybertruck.
Yes. And it has armored glass.
It has armored glass.
Yes.
This is an armored glass.
And my IC is inside here.
Where's your
Inside
IC?
my remote control.
Your IC
It's
is
inside my remote.
Don't open it. Don't open it.
I already used hot glue.
Okay, to hold it. And in Mama Timi, put the plate number, boss.
And this is the plate number. Very soon they are going to make the headlights
Okay.
and change the battery.
Okay.